Step inside the ultimate rolling mansion. The living space is designed with both comfort and cutting-edge technology in mind.
The 2026 Honda Goldwing EV Trike represents a remarkable leap forward in the world of electric touring motorcycles, combining Honda's legendary engineering with modern electric technology. Designed for riders who crave both luxury and environmental responsibility, this trike sets a new standard for long-distance touring comfort while delivering an eco-conscious riding experience. At the heart of the Goldwing EV Trike is its advanced electric powertrain. Honda has equipped it with a high-capacity battery pack that delivers smooth, quiet, and instant torque, ensuring effortless acceleration and consistent performance over long distances. Unlike traditional combustion engine motorcycles, the EV Trike produces zero emissions, making it an ideal choice for environmentally conscious riders without compromising power or reliability. Honda's engineering ensures a balance between efficiency and exhilaration, providing riders with a riding experience that feels both responsive and refined. Comfort and ergonomics remain central to the Goldwing EV Trike's appeal. Honda has meticulously designed the seating and suspension to reduce fatigue on extended journeys. The Trike features plush, contoured seats for both rider and passenger, with adjustable backrests and ample legroom. The Trike's suspension system is engineered to absorb road imperfections, delivering a stable and smooth ride even on less than perfect surfaces. Additionally, Honda's attention to detail in handlebar placement, foot controls, and overall rider posture ensures that long hours on the road remain enjoyable rather than exhausting. Luxury is another defining characteristic of the 2026 Goldwing EV Trike. Riders are treated to a fully integrated infotainment system, including a high-resolution touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, GPS navigation, and smartphone integration. Premium audio options allow for crystal-clear sound, while advanced voice control systems make it easier to operate features safely while riding. Storage is also plentiful, with ample trunk space and cleverly designed compartments that accommodate luggage and personal items without compromising style or aerodynamics. Safety and convenience are further enhanced through Honda's cutting-edge rider assist technologies. Adaptive cruise control, electronic stability systems, and advanced braking features ensure confidence and control under a wide range of riding conditions. LED lighting, a robust frame, and enhanced visibility features make the Goldwing EV Trike not only luxurious but also exceptionally safe for both urban commutes and open-road adventures. The 2026 Honda Goldwing EV Trike is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It merges the thrill of riding with the tranquility of sustainable transportation, appealing to riders who refuse to compromise on either performance or luxury. Whether cruising along coastal highways, navigating winding mountain roads, or enjoying a weekend getaway, this trike delivers a touring experience that is smooth, serene, and exhilarating all at once. In summary, the Honda Goldwing EV Trike for 2026 is a triumph of modern motorcycle engineering. With its blend of electric performance, ultimate comfort, luxury features, and intelligent technology, it sets a new benchmark for what touring motorcycles can achieve. For riders seeking an eco-friendly yet indulgent touring experience, the Goldwing EV Trike is a ride that promises unmatched satisfaction, adventure, and style. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome represents the pinnacle of modern recreational vehicle design, combining classic American truck engineering with sophisticated motorhome comfort. Built on the legendary T2000 chassis, this motorhome offers both durability and performance, ensuring that long journeys across highways are smooth, reliable, and enjoyable. The exterior exudes a commanding presence with its aerodynamic lines, premium paint finishes, and signature Kenworth styling, making it a standout on the road. Inside, the T2000 Luxury Motorhome redefines comfort. The spacious interior is thoughtfully designed with premium materials, including plush leather seating, polished wood cabinetry, and high-quality finishes throughout. The cockpit is equipped with state-of-the-art digital displays, advanced driver assistance features, and ergonomic controls, ensuring both safety and convenience during long drives. The living area combines elegance with functionality, offering a lounge space, dining area, and entertainment system designed for modern travelers who value luxury on the move. Under the hood, the motorhome is powered by a robust diesel engine engineered for efficiency and long-haul performance. Advanced suspension systems, reinforced frames, and precision steering make driving this large vehicle surprisingly agile, even on winding roads. Technology is seamlessly integrated, from climate control systems to smart storage solutions, making every journey effortless and enjoyable. Whether parked at a scenic campsite or cruising down the interstate, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome delivers an unmatched combination of power, elegance, and comfort. It is ideal for travelers who refuse to compromise on quality, offering a mobile lifestyle that is both practical and indulgent. For anyone seeking the ultimate blend of engineering excellence and luxury living, the T2000 Motorhome stands as an iconic choice in modern motorhome design. The interior of the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome is a perfect blend of sophistication, comfort, and advanced technology, designed to provide travelers with a truly first-class experience on the road. Every inch of the cabin reflects attention to detail, from the high-quality materials to the thoughtful layout that maximizes both space and functionality. Premium leather seating, polished wood finishes, and soft-touch surfaces create an atmosphere of elegance, while ergonomic designs ensure comfort even on the longest journeys. The driver's cockpit is equipped with cutting-edge digital displays, intuitive controls, and advanced driver assistance systems, making navigation and vehicle management effortless. A panoramic windshield and strategically placed windows provide excellent visibility, allowing the driver to enjoy scenic routes with confidence. Meanwhile, the living area offers a spacious environment perfect for relaxation or socializing, with plush seating, a dining area, and modern entertainment systems that rival those found in luxury homes. Ambient LED lighting enhances the mood throughout the cabin, allowing passengers to adjust brightness and color to suit different times of day or activities. Storage and organization are seamlessly integrated into the interior, with ample cabinetry, hidden compartments, and smart solutions that keep belongings neatly stowed while maintaining the clean, uncluttered aesthetic. The kitchen area is designed for convenience, featuring premium appliances, sleek countertops, and practical layouts for cooking on the go. Climate control systems ensure a comfortable environment regardless of the weather, while insulated walls and soundproofing add to the sense of privacy and serenity inside. The engine of the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome is a masterpiece of modern engineering, designed to provide both power and reliability for long-haul journeys. Built with precision and durability in mind, it ensures that this luxury motorhome delivers smooth performance even under heavy loads. The engine combines high torque output with impressive fuel efficiency, allowing travelers to cover extensive distances without compromising on power or comfort. This advanced diesel engine is optimized for long-distance touring, providing the strength needed to handle the motorhome's large frame and fully loaded storage. It features turbocharging technology that improves acceleration and responsiveness, making highway driving effortless. Coupled with a precision-engineered transmission, the engine ensures seamless gear shifts, optimal fuel usage, and reduced wear over time. Cooling systems and reinforced components maintain performance even during demanding conditions, ensuring the motorhome operates reliably in various climates and terrains. Noise and vibration are minimized through advanced engineering techniques, creating a quiet and comfortable cabin environment. This allows passengers to enjoy the journey without the constant hum or rumble often associated with large diesel engines. Additionally, the engine is designed with eco-conscious performance in mind, incorporating emission-reducing technologies that meet or exceed modern environmental standards. Maintenance and monitoring are simplified with digital diagnostic systems that provide real-time data on engine performance, fuel consumption, and potential issues. These systems help prevent breakdowns and allow owners to optimize performance over time. Overall, the engine of the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome perfectly balances raw power, efficiency, and reliability. It is engineered to handle the demands of luxury long-distance travel while providing a smooth, responsive, and quiet ride. For those seeking a motorhome that combines comfort with uncompromising performance, this engine serves as the heart of a truly exceptional vehicle.